Hi class, welcome to another week of Counseling 120. I hope you had a nice long weekend and were able to get some relaxation and also catch up on your schoolwork. As you know, we've got about another month, so we're really in the home stretch now for Counseling 120. So thank you for all your efforts and your participation thus far. We are going to go ahead and transition now. So we've just kind of finished up talking about transfer and options with transfer. And again, appreciate those of you who have participated in the discussions. Also note that there are some assignments due as well. So thanks for those of you who have already turned in the personal statement that was due. And now this week, the accessing online resources with transfer using assist.org and WebSmart and DegreeWorks is due on Friday. So what we are going to do now is actually transition into the major and career portion part of the class as we go into the home stretch. So we will be exploring some assessments that are out there, personality types, interests, and then we'll also be going into resumes, cover letters, using LinkedIn, and job interviewing for the rest of the semester. So that's kind of what's ahead for the next month or so. Again, look forward to seeing you on Canvas. And again, thank you for hanging in there. Just a friendly reminder that in general for full semester classes, November 13th is the last day to drop with a W on your record for full semester classes. Okay, so take care and see you online on Canvas.